Welcome back everybody, this is Alpha Games and Jeux. We are working with our Antimatter Chemistry. So we have done a few things. First of all, let's have a look. You can see here I have some evaporators, and the evaporators are getting us some mineral salt. Now since we have last played, there was some change with respect to the quest line. And I was able to play with some of these, so we were actually at this area. I was able to add some of these, and I was able to do some water. Let's see if I can show you how it works. So we had, let's see, sodium chloride, silicon, cellulose. I'll show you. It's quite cool actually. So here, if you go and you get some of these, and water is quite amazing actually. Oops, not wrong one. If you go here and you put the sugar cane here, you end up with some sugar. Now if you go, where are we going? It's quite exciting actually. When you go here, the sugar creates what we call sucrose, and when you put the sucrose here, potassium, okay, let's see. We have is it going here? Perfect. You have the creation of water and oxygen and carbon. Carbon and oxygen. Okay. The beauty with that is when you go here, see, you can create a chemical combiner. So if you put, so that's H2O. Where's hydrogen? This is hydrogen. And here I have oxygen. So when you put the two there, see, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen creates H2O, sorry. Now I'm gonna get some HO, perfect, so H2O. Now the beauty with this one is when you put it here, and it's called the liquefier, slowly these test tube of water create actually mini buckets of water, and it's good. And now if you're here and you go with the bucket, you have water as much as you wish. And what I did is I created here an infinite water source to be able to work with the evaporator. So here this is max. Oops. So let's fill this up. Now the beauty with the evaporator is it will get us some more material for us. So here I've got some mineral salt. Let's see what we can do with that. So then again, let's go back to our chemical dissolver. So I don't need the sucrose anymore, and oxygen. Okay, there's so much. We're getting more and more of all kind of resources. Now if you put the mineral salt here, you end up with a few things. First, sodium chloride. You also end up with some zinc, and here's some lithium. I think there was some magnesium too the last time I did it. Let's see, if I take the sodium chloride out, I got potassium chloride, which is also some copper. So as you can see, we end up with some fun new chemicals. Some lithium and some copper. Let's take the copper. We end up with sodium chloride, and here carbon, and I think we're done. Okay, can we just take these out? I think we are full of these. Now we have sodium chloride, so does that mean that, and sucrose, that means that if you put those in there, you should be able to get, should we try it? Okay, so if I put sodium chloride, I end up with 2, chlorine and sodium. That's outstanding. With a bit more of lithium, I think there was 1 more. Okay, that's exciting. So we are, so I was able to finish here my chapter 1, which was exciting, and now we are at chapter 2. In chapter 2, in order to do it, I end up with was I able to finish this one? I need 64. Okay, I think I used all of those. So let's see if we can get at least 64 of those. But do I have room? Yeah. So let's see. I have 57 here and 51 here. Okay, so that's oh, there's a book. Okay, let's put this there. Okay, so next thing, I was able to put some of these chemicals there. The issue though is that we don't have enough room. Is it this one here? And tungsten. Tungsten, this is copper. So this one, no, this one. Some water. This one here. So it's amazing how this, look at this, hydrogen, carbon, and these are filling up. So eventually I would like to put some disks. Okay, how easy is it to do storage disks? Let's double check. Some storage disk. So I don't have much time to play, but I figured it's always fun to try 1K for 1664. Oh, you did some creative storage. Okay, 1K. I need storage housing and the parts. Okay, is there another way? Evaporator. And we end up with one of those. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Seeds. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, storage. So I need redstone, stained glasses, so that's good. And this one is silicon, so I need silicon. Silicon I can get through silicon. And we get silicon. Ooh, I can get silicon. Okay, that's good. I can do that. And the 4 is a storage housing and a 4K. Oh, they get more and more expensive. Okay, and here raw improved processor, and for this processing binding, so here I need string and I'll need that. Okay, how can we do we have let's see, ex nihilo, or just xn? No, no, we don't have worms either, so I'm gonna need to figure out a way to get a string. Ooh, we can get string from protein. Ooh, this is a complicated. This is a complicated. This gives me protein, and I can get protein with nitrogen. Okay, so lots is possible. Okay, well that's fun. Okay, let's put this back in here. I still need to figure out how to make it work. This is food generator. This one is furnace. I was able to get a furnace generator, and I also did, oops, some of use some of the wood to create a charcoal earlier. Okay, so this is where we are at right now. Okay, I was able to create a stone axe, and the beauty with this one is we can do vein mining, vein tree cutting. That was something good because I had, ooh, got some fruits, some sticks. Oh, that's fun. Let's get more of those. Oops. And I need more trees. Now, does this work? Can I do this one? I don't know if that works. Oops. Anyway, so that is something to keep in mind. Oh, let's see what that book is all about. World domination. A new open source, introduce variety of ideas. So we've got some blocks. Auto anvil, building guides, block placer, bear traps, sponges. Ooh, sprinkler. I had a sprinkler once. It was great. So sprinkler, is it open block? Rope ladder, path, paint mixer. Ooh, got elevator, canvas, and fans. Okay, so lots of possible good stuff. So we've got tanks, green, we're gonna need obsidian. Okay, so lots of fun things. Let's look at chapter 2. We need, so iron sharpening, a hopper, and a crescent hammer. Actually a wrench, but anything is a hammer if you need it to be. Rotate and dismantle blocks. Okay, so this is good. Voila. Very nice. Now we need some orange antimatter and gray antimatter. Okay. Ooh, we got an iron hammer here. Love it. Good. So antimatter. Okay, so let's we've got antimatter, gray, and that is light gray. For that I need tungsten and white antimatter. So tungsten and white, and the orange is copper. Copper and tungsten, and how many do I need of those? 64 of each. So I need 8 stack. I need so 8 stacks. I need a stack of white, 2 stacks of white. Do I have 2 stacks of white? Not quite. Okay, so let's see. Do I have tungsten? I have 41 tungsten. Okay, there's so much. Let's see how we're gonna do this. We're gonna dismantle some of those. Some silicon. So lots of silicon and oxygen. Let's double check something. If I do here, okay, so I still need the white. I'll show you. I've been playing with some of these, trying to get some perfect. So let's see. I need copper and tungsten. Did I take tungsten? No. So tungsten, let's see, we need the hopper up here. 8 tungsten, and the other one was copper. There's only 3. Okay. So I'm gonna need to do more copper. Now it seemed that if I did this, and I did, where is it? 8 tungsten, I have 8 gray matter. Oh, 64. Okay, that's good. If so, I need more copper. I did more copper in, oh gee, more copper in the water, and in the water I think was in here. So let's try that. So if I have mineral salt and sodium chloride, I have chlorine. Oh, I have a copper. Potassium, copper. So I need more of those. I have 5. I need 8. Iron, no. Potassium, another copper, iron, potassium, and 2 copper. Perfect. Oh, it's working nicely. It's quite nice actually. So I had here, if we have this and this, we've got, voila. And the quest is complete. Let's see. We've got this and that. I have an iron hammer and an iron sharpening kit. Now I'm gonna need red antimatters. Okay, let's see. Okay, so how do we do the red antimatter now? Ooh, I need iron oxide. So we need iron oxide. So we need iron oxide. So 2 iron and 1 oxygen. Chemical combiner. Ooh. No, that's not what I want. That's the one I want. Iron oxide. 2 irons and 3 oxygen. 2 iron and 3 oxygen. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see. Is it iron? Okay. Iron and oxygen. Where's the oxygen? This is full. Okay. Gonna put the light gray here. And I'm gonna have to see what we can get out of those. We don't need this. Here's a machine. We have this one here. Okay, we have 7 of those. I got those at some point for a quest. I think it was from the first chapter. And I found a stick. I'm gonna put some trees here. I don't think can I put all of those there? Yeah. A plum. We've got apples. Perfect. And okay. So in order to do, here's silicon. Let's try oxygen. Okay, let's see. This iron. So 2 iron and oxygen. We've got iron and oxygen. So we need 8 of those. I guess we don't need more. Now if I put one of those, oops. It's going back. Okay, so we can go back and forth. That's a beauty. And I need more of these white stuff. Okay. So let's try this baby. But first, let's need some room. Oh, gee, there's so much. Like this, like that. Oxygen. Yes. So here we have. Let's see. We have our red quest. Okay. Perfect. So we have 32 more of these. Okay, that's good. That's good. Redstone. Doesn't consume item. Item will be auto detected. So I need redstone. Ooh, we have an energy cell. That'd be interesting because I need to figure out how the power will work. How do we get redstone? Let's see. Red stone. This one here. Okay, that's not helping. Where can we cannot. Oh, that's this one. Okay, we need this one here in order to do this. Factorizer. Ah, chemical dissolver. No, that's not what I want. Red heat quest. Okay, nice. Okay, that hasn't figured out how we're gonna do this. Okay. Okay, so that's not helping. Okay, with redstone furnace. Okay. We've got a tectonic initiator. Oops. Chemical combiner, that's what I'm looking for. So I need iron oxide and strontium carbonate. So I know how to do this. That's easy. How to do strontium carbonate. I need strontium and carbonate. How do you carbonate? You need calcium and carbonate. Okay. How do we do carbonate? The carbonate is carbon and oxygen. Okay. So, let's see. I need... That's not what I'm looking for. Where is it? Combiner. So 1 redstone is 1 iron and 1 strontium. And how many do I need? I need 20. I need 20 of those. Okay. What else do we need? We also need pink and black. Okay. Pink and black antimatter. Oh, so lots of good things to do. Magenta, nope. Pink. For that I need magnesium. Okay, so I need 8 magnesium and black. And I need carbon. Okay, I have carbon. I just have to get the magnesium. And I think the magnesium I was able to get some here, if I remember well. No. Okay, so there's no magnesium, but I saw it once. Oh, there it is. We got 11 of it. Okay, okay, so we see we're okay. Is that this one here? Magnesium and white. Oh, we could do that already. Magnesium and white. Like this. And do we have carbon here? Carbon. Carbon and white antimatter. Okay, see? We can do this. So that quest is almost finished. Okay, I might have to go because I have to go and get dinner ready. Here I need some magnesium, potassium, and aluminum oxide. Okay, so we can get block of charcoal of coal. Ooh, nice. Block of coal. Is there a way to do coal in this thing? Coal. Coal. Let's see. No, this one. We can do a coal from 8 carbon. Oh, that's exciting. Let's double check this. Okay, like this. Coal. This one. Look at this. It's a beauty. So the machine. So the question is, how can we automate this? That'll be nice to automate all of this, because 6 coal would be good for our furnace generator who needs some power, because each of those creates 16 RF. See, cobalt aluminate. Okay, you know, it's, I like, let's double check something. Alchemistry, look at this. Beryl, this is a, beryl is emerald. Oh, you can do ethane, propane, wow. There is mescaline. Gee. They're so, look at this, niobium. Those canes. Oh, so we have uranium here. So you've got 118 elements. And the first 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I'm quite impressed. Okay. So we are doing great. I'm gonna have to find a way to do a periodic table. I think I'd like that. I would like that a lot. So what do we have here? An Obsidian Breaker. While holding the item, instantly harvest the obsidian. This item will be consumed. Electrolyzer, chemical dissolver, combiner, atomizer, and mineral salt, condensed milk, and fertilizer. So this is quite fun. Okay. So we are, I think, at the end of our episode today. I think we have done quite a few things. When we come back, I hope to have set up this, organize how this will work. I'm not sure how it will work yet, but I think I can figure it out. We will also find a way to maximize this. We'll go for, let's see. I hope to be able to have created the redstone exporter. What's the role of exporter? An importer. Cables. Oh, storage disks are getting bigger. Strings. That's exciting. Some servos. Some antimatters of some kind. Some potatoes. Oh, we've got here the deep dark portal, the ammonium phosphate, and deep dark. This one here is the nether. Okay, nether is fun. Some green antimatter with 4 loot crate. Lava, a lava bucket. Okay, we have a bucket, that's possible. Cobblestone generator. Okay, some. What's the purpose of having a cobblestone generator? So if I put a here, gee, that was a waste. Okay, so the cobblestone was a waste in there. So I need to figure out, I think the cobblestone generators will be important, so we can actually do those. This one here, because we need to create this for the portal. The deep dark portal probably needs a lot of cobblestone. Let's double check. Portal. So we've got end portal, portal, overworld portal. Ooh. Okay, deep dark. So triple, quadruple, triple, quadruple, quadruple, triple, and triple. So I need some triples and quadruple here. So lots of it is needed. So what is this one? Ender porcupine. So that's fun. Okay, so on this, I've been having a lot of fun. So I will end this this episode right here. Look at this. This is looking quite nice. We need to expand a little bit, and this is what we'll do as we progress on this. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.